Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Yeah, OVO Sound 2025. Who's calling that shit?
Is it Stacy? Is it Becky? Is it Keisha? Is it Annie? Was it Danny? Is it Party? Where's the function?
Where the fuck the function? Where the fuck the function? The way I feel right now, I feel like we need to be all alone. So if you just playing around, you need to tell your girl, take a fine ass home, and that's real. Stop teasing me, stop teasing me. I could change your life so easily. I keep begging you to stay, but you're leaving me, leaving me. We got sticks in the plug illegally. Got the whole 6 side, they believe in me. We got members east of the DVP. We got members west on 401. We got a lock on the game, but there's more to come. You gotta pop that ass till the morning come. You want shots for the girl, then order some. Who's calling that? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit?
Is it Stacy? Is it Becky? Is it Keisha? Is it Ashley? Was it Danny? Is it Party? Where's the function?
Where the fuck the function? Where the fuck the function?
I've turned this part of the video into a talking video because, well, I talk in all my vlogs. I don't like to do silent vlogs. If you're new around here, you might not know what I'm talking about, but if you're not new, you would notice that I changed the name of my channel from Itohan, which is my name, to New Money Central, and then I think I changed it back. Honest to God, I'm not even sure if I've changed it back already, but most probably I did. I'm using Eucerin sunscreen in SPF 30. Usually I use 60. Why did I buy 30? I can't really tell you. I think that was what, I don't know. So yes, so the reason I changed my name from Itohan to New Money Central is because oh no, what is that? What's that? I don't think you guys can see, but ugh, it's gumming up. Hold on. This has never happened before. I use this like regularly. It's the sunscreen. What the heck? The reason why I changed my name from Itohan to New Money Central is because New Money Central, number one, it's my TikTok name because it's in a brand I'm creating, and so I wanted it to be the same across all platforms. But one thing I knew I wasn't going to be doing was changing my Instagram name to New Money Central, because I don't know, Instagram is so, it's not unserious, but it's just so impersonal for me. Like, I don't take it seriously. I feel like the people on there, like, anytime I post, it sounds weird, but anytime I post, like, a lot of guys that I don't even know are messaging me, and I'm confused because I don't know you. I posted, yeah, a picture at a restaurant, like out to eat, but so why are you messaging me telling me when you come to Lagos, can I show you around? And it's not the first, it's not the second, it's not the fourth, it's not the 8th time. So at some point I just decided to stop posting on Instagram. I don't know if it was like the type of content I post, or if that's just what goes on behind the scenes on Instagram and nobody says anything about it. But it's weird, isn't it? So I don't know, I just got afraid, not afraid, but I just stopped posting on there because it's not worth the trouble. I decided to focus more on TikTok and YouTube as my social media platforms, because YouTube has been my baby since day one. I love YouTube. I love the energy I get on YouTube. I love the feedback I receive from my audience on YouTube. It's the best thing ever, especially because this is the platform that I put the most work into. TikTok is so silly. It's like you can just post anything on TikTok. I don't, but people do, and you know, you can get a lot of views, you can get a lot of engagement. But YouTube Speaking of views and engagement, if you're enjoying this vlog, please let me know by liking the vlog, giving it a thumbs up, so I can know like what type of content you guys want to see from me. And I changed it to New Money Central because I wanted my name to be the same across all platforms. But the thing is, I changed it back because I gave it a lot more thought, and I don't know if I want to take it as professional on YouTube. Let me explain. Last year I was doing a lot of more talking content, less vlogs, because I don't know, something sparked in me where I just wanted to help people that have no idea about certain things that I feel are important, especially, you know, as a lady, as someone growing up in Nigeria. There's things that I was raised to understand that I don't know if certain other people were raised to understand this. So I felt like, okay, let me talk about it on my YouTube channel. And as I grew, I stopped, you know, I shifted my values and my focus from superficial things like beauty. Beauty is extremely important. I will never give up beauty. Never say never, but never. Anyways, so I shifted my focus from things like superficial to me, like beauty, lifestyle, you know, vlogs, travel. Not things that are not important, but to me at that point in my time they were superficial, and that's just all I cared about. So I shifted it to more self-improvement and finance content, because that is what I find is most important in this time of my life. So I'm building multiple businesses, multiple brands, and this is my start of doing it all. And going forward, I want to share it more on YouTube, which is why I changed the name on here to New Money Central. But the reason I changed it back is because my YouTube, I don't want it to be a complete like professional thing where I get a camera every single time I want to sit down with you guys. I get like, I don't know if you can see that my Nikon D55 is sitting on the table. I get my Nikon out and then I start shooting in absolute high definition just because I want to say something. Sometimes I just want to chill with you guys, because YouTube is a lot of work, especially in the beginning stages when you're not seeing the results that you would hope to see. It's a lot of work making videos, putting them out, and not getting the type of views that you would like. You know, it's a lot of mental work. It can really affect you up there if you're not strong enough, or if you've not done it long enough to really understand the game in it. So I decided to change it back because I still want this to be a kind of like free, easy space for me to come and express myself and to share knowledge. But I still want you guys to know me as Itoha, not necessarily New Money Central. So I feel like my TikTok is going to remain New Money Central, because it's very easy for me to create more professional content on there, because I could just use my camera, my iPhone camera. But on YouTube, it's not the same. I can't just, well, I could, but not as New Money Central. So TLDR, because I don't even remember. I started drawing my brows and I don't remember the last thing I said. I don't know why that happens to me. I want to go get my nails done. And I don't know, do I need makeup? No, but I just want a little something. I wish brands would start paying me so all this work could not be for nothing, but they did not pay me today. This concealer is incredible, and I believe it's a Nigerian brand.
You better drop your body and walk up. Suffer with this body, make you run, I'm on a low key. Baby, you know me, they get to see move where you know. Please, come make a try, come make a try, this is a low. Please, baby, allow me.
I need to host a makeup class. I need to host like doing your own makeup class, because do you guys see how easy that was? Somebody would pay 30k for this makeup. Not really. Okay, but they would definitely pay like 20k for this simple soft glam makeup. Imagine that. And you could be doing it yourself. I'll host a makeup class. Let me know in the comments if you would sign up for the makeup class. We're going to move on to doing my hair, and then afterwards I'm gonna get dressed. Let me know, do you guys do your hair before your makeup and your outfit, or you do your makeup before your hair and your outfit? I don't know if you guys want to see it, so I'm just going to cancel this out. So this is my outfit of the day. I got this denim dress from Guess. You guys will never guess. You guys will never guess. I got it from Balogun Market. As usual, the bag is from ASOS. Elizabeth, if you're seeing this, I'm sorry. The slippers are from Dolce & Gabbana, and yeah, let me know what's in my purse. What's actually in this tiny bag? Like, what can fit in here? My wallet, some tissues, because you never know. Some perfume. I got this perfume from Miniso because I like the mini perfumes that they do, and this one smells really fresh. It smells like you just took a shower. It's so fresh. I love it. My AirPods. I'm going to the nail salon. I know I mentioned that, and I like to listen to music or podcasts while I'm there because I be getting bored. A business card. If you guys don't know, now you know. 24-hour beauty hair, the only place to get your hairstyle, period. And finally, Tic Tacs. I love when my breath is fresh. I love having fresh breath. And that's all that's in my purse. I'm just going to sling this over because, as you can see, denim dress. It's a casual day. Now I want to make breakfast because I'm so hungry. But also I want to take a walk downstairs. So we're going to put this in the oven. I have a cupcake and a cinnamon bun. And I also have some fresh, what's this called? Pineapple and ginger juice. So I'm gonna make the cupcake and the cinnamon roll with some pineapple and ginger juice. I don't think the oven is working because I press and nothing is happening. I'm gonna just toast it instead. I don't want it to just be hot from the microwave. I'm gonna toast it. Breakfast.
Watch me going out of the way when I should've went home. Only time of the day I get to spend on my own. I was tripping off high, used to sleep at your crib. Should drive by right where you live and pick you up on the way. We ain't spoken so long, probably put me in the past. I can still get you wet and I can still make you laugh. You should call in to work if that ain't too much to ask. I could pour you up a drink and we could